Hello kids, welcome back to channel. Today learn numbers. Kids class name blue color, green color, red color, yellow color, black color, yellow ochre color. Kids now coloring numbers. Kids first draw 1. The numbers of 1. O N E 1. Kids now 2. The numbers of 2. And again use blue color. T W O 2. Kids now 3. The numbers of 3. T HRW 3. Kids night 4. The numbers of 4. FOUR 4. Kids night 5. The numbers of 5. FIVE 5. Kids night 6. The numbers of 6. And use green color. SIX 6. Kids night 7. The numbers of 7. SEVEN 7. Kids night 8. The numbers of 8. EIGHT 8. Kids night 9. The numbers of 9. NINE 9. Kids night 10. The numbers of 10. TEN 10. Kids night 11. The numbers of 11. And use black color. 12. The numbers of 12. 13. The numbers of 13.